Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are greatly blessed with health, and everyone at your home will be safe and sound with the grace of Allah Almighty. With the grace of Allah Almighty, we will do the work of English lesson to a little girl that has told a lie. And today activity is word sentences. In word sentences, we will start from the word conceal. Dear students, for making the sentence, we have to know the meanings of the sentences of the word. We have to understand the meaning of the word first. Then we can easily make the sentence by understanding the meaning of that word. Dear students, you will make your own sentences. I will just tell the meanings and some example sentences by speaking. Conceal. First one is conceal. Conceal mean hide, keep secret. Conceal का मतलब है कि छुपाना, राज रखना. We should not conceal the facts to our parents. We should not conceal the truth to our elders. There are many people in the world who conceal the facts. Second one is falsehood. It means lying untrue, यानी कि झूठ या ऐसी बात जो दुरुस्त ना हो. Falsehood is the root cause of all sins. We can make different sentences by using these words, ideas. We should avoid from falsehood. हमें उसको झूठ से बचाना चाहिए, झूठ से बचना चाहिए. We should avoid ourselves from making the falsehood statement. Next one is the discern. Discern means differentiate. Find out, तलाश करना, तफरीक करना, फ़र्क करना. Allah blessed us with the power to discern between right and wrong. A sensible person can easily discern different things. Next one is gladsome. It means joyous, delighted. खुशकुन यानी कि खुशी वाला, पुरमसरत. When I meet my friends, it is gladsome moment for me. Whenever I meet my friends, it is gladsome moment for me. Next one is oppressed. It means ill treat, express. इसका मतलब है कि बुरा सलूक करना या मजलूम होना या दबाना किसी को. Kashmiris are being oppressed by the Indian army. We should have the mercy upon the oppressed people. Conscience, it means inner wise morals. You can say that it's in the Urdu we can say that कि ज़मीर ज़मीर यानी कि ज़मीर की आवाज़. We should listen to our conscience while telling lies. An honest person always listens to the voice of his conscience. We can say that an honest person, a sincere person, always follow his conscience in his dealing. Dear students, I know that I hope you have the ability, you have the very good ability of making the sentence, but you just need the some meaning of these words, and after knowing the meaning of these words you can easily make the sentences of these words. Okay, next is our diary. In the diary we have the different tasks. Do homework of word sentences on your own notebook. First you have to do the homework of word sentences on your neat notebook. Then we have to do the previous work, that is understand the complete poem and practice the paraphrasing of all stanzas on your rough notebook. Dear students, if you have not practiced the paraphrasing of all stanzas on your rough notebook, then you have to do it again. Then you have to do it. If you have done this, it's a good thing. Next one is you have to note the important points of the poem on your rough notebook. These important points will help us to write the summary of the poem. By these points, by noting or observing the important points of the poem, you can easily write the summary of the poem. Dear students, if you have the problem, then you can ask me question by commenting. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.